Hello boys and girls, this is Revit Magic and Tricks. In this tutorial we are gonna talk about how we can create the Revit door family. Okay, at the first, if you like videos I make, please subscribe this channel, go to the Facebook and Instagram page, follow that. If you have some questions, be free to write below, and now go to this tutorial. Okay, go here to the file, and then go to the new, and click to the new family. Now we have the all template for Revit families. If you don't know what types of Revit family we have, now you have the link in the upper right corner. Go check that tutorial and then come back to this tutorial. Okay, now go here to the metric door template families and go to the open. You can see now we open the template for door family. We have the level, and we have the 3D views, elevations, and so on. If I go here to the exterior elevation, you can see we have already some door in this template. Go here to the 3D. The Revit template for door families always must have one default basic wall. We can't delete that because door is a wall-based family. We must have this wall. Okay, now I just delete this frame about default and start with the sketch. We now have only this. That is an opening cut. If I go here to the edit sketch, you can see I can edit that. If I go to the exterior elevation, you can see that opening cut is aligned to some reference plane. We have here the reference plane or the reference level. We have one horizontal reference plane that is for height of our door. We have a center line of a door and the left and the right side of that door. If we go to check that, and now we have only the opening for that door. Here you can see we also have some detail lines. That line we can see only in the elevations of that door. How we can create some of that lines, we gonna see in this tutorial. Okay, for the better understanding, I just go out of this project and go and press WT to have these separate windows. Now you can see I have here a level, here the exterior elevation, and here is my 3D. At the first we create door frame. Click here to the exterior elevation and then go to the create and go here to the sweep. Now go here to the sketch path and we sketch the sweep along the door frame. Or just go here to the pick lines and click to this reference plane and lock that, and here lock that, also here lock that. Now go to TR to trim this and then go to align AL, click to the reference level and then click to this point and go to the lock, also for this line. Now we create the sweep of that. Okay, just click here and then go here to the edit profile for that sweep and click here from the floor plan. Now we can create here the profile for our frame, something like that, and here maybe a 60, and then go, I don't know, maybe here and something like that. Then go to the align, AL, click to this reference plane and lock this line. Also click to this reference plane, lock this line and also this line. Go here to the center reference plane and lock this line. And now we must lock this and this line. Go to DI, to dimension, and then click from this reference plane to this line. We have a 60 and lock that. Also go from here to here, we have a 25 and also lock that. Now just go here to the finish mode and again press that. And you can see now we have the door frame. If I go here to the properties for family types and maybe check this dimension, we have a height and a width. If I click here and maybe set to 1500, you can see how our sweep it's follow that new width. We bring that to 100. If I go here and click to this wall and maybe set that wall it's be a little bit thicker, go to the edit and say maybe a 300 millimeters. Now you can see our frame follow on this side but doesn't on that side. We must fix that. Just click here, go to the edit sweep and then go to the edit profile and go to the align. Use this side of wall and click to this line and go to the lock. And now we fix that. If I go again here, click to this wall and maybe say 200. Now you can see our frame is follow that wall. Okay, but I don't like this to go from the center line. I want here if my door frame it's gonna go from this side, then I must this frame put to that door. For that, create a new reference plane. Go to RP and just click from here to here. And then go to DI for dimension and click from this to this reference plane. Then go and click to this reference plane and set that to maybe, I don't know, 35 millimeters. And then click to this dimension and lock that. Now you can see if I again go here and set to 300, our reference plane follow that. Then go again to this frame, edit sweep, edit profile, go to AL, click to this reference plane and lock this line. Now we must remove constraints of before and then lock the new constraints. Okay, but what if I want this dimension is changing by parameter? Just click on that dimension, and now here on the label dimension we have this little icon that is a create parameter. Click that, and now you can see we can create a new parameter for this family. The parameter family can be the type or the instance. What is the difference? I will explain in some of the another tutorial. For now, just leave this type and click here, maybe door panel width, maybe, and click OK. Now you can see we have a new parameter for that. If I go here to the family types, we have a door panel width, and if I click here and maybe set to the 50 millimeter, now you can see how our reference plane is gonna go to the 50. Click to the OK. Now we must create the door panel for that. Go maybe here to the exterior, go to the create, go to the extrusion, and then set the work plane to this plane. Go here to the pick a plane and then click the middle mouse here to the reference level, click this plane and then choose the exterior view. Now we can scratch that here. Go to this rectangle and then create from here to here and lock all of that. Now you can see here we have the extrusion end. We just go and click to the finish and we have the extrusion of 250. We don't want that. We want to our door panel, it's go to this exterior line. Just click here and go to the align AL, click to this reference plane and click to this extrusion line and lock that. Now you can see we have this door panel, and if I go here to check is everything okay, just go to the height, maybe 2500, and this is gonna 102,000, and now you can see everything is okay. Okay, now we want to create the door frame for exterior and interior. The principle is the same. We want to have a width of that frame, and we want to have a thickness of that frame. So again, go to the RP or the reference plane, create here the one reference plane, also here on the other side. You can see this is the exterior side and this is the interior side. And also we here create a free reference plane. Go to RP, click from here, maybe to here, also here, and also here. Now go to DI, and click from this reference plane to this, and just click, also from this to this, and from this to this. Now click here and create a new parameter for that, and say door frame width, and we have a new parameter for that. You can see here. Now click to this and this dimension and add this same parameter. Just go here to the label, click and add this door frame width. Now you can see all of these three dimensions is the same. And if I go here and maybe set this to 150, now you can see how everything is changed. Also, we want to set a parameter for the thickness of our frame. Go here to the level and go to the DI, and from this reference plane to this reference plane, click, and also go here and press maybe a couple of times tab, and from here to here click and create dimension. Click to this dimension and create a new parameter for that, and we say door frame thickness, and go to the OK, and then click to this dimension also and set the door frame thickness for that. OK, now click to the exterior with the middle of mouse or the scroll, and go here to the create, to extrusion, and go to the rectangle maybe, and click from here to here and align all of these lines, and also from here to here. Now you can see we have the overlap this line here, this line, but never mind, just align this and click here and delete that. Click to this line and go to CL to slice that line. Click maybe here, and then go to the TR to trim from here to here and from here to here. Then go to again to IL to align. Click to the reference level and lock this. This is a locked, and lock this, and that is a locked, and everything is okay. Go here to the finish edit mode, and now you can see our extrusion. It's gonna go to 250, but we don't want that. Again, we go to IL and click from this reference plane to this extrusion and set to lock. Okay, but you can see we have a little problem, because our extrusion is now go from this reference plane. We don't want that, we want from this reference plane, and that reference is the name of that reference plane is exterior. Just click here and go to the edit work plane and say exterior reference plane. Okay, remove constraints. Now you can see the Revit is turn around our extrusion. Never mind, just click from here and go to this reference plane again and go to the lock. And now everything is fine. Also, we do that for the interior side. Just click to this extrusion, go to MM, and that is a mirror, and click to this center line. go here, and then from this extrusion just go to the AL, click on this reference plane and click here to lock that. Also for this side, from here to lock that. Now we want to check it's everything okay. Go here to the family types, door frame thickness, that's gonna be a 30 millimeters. Go to the apply, and the door frame width maybe 170, I don't know. And you can see for now everything is fine. Okay, now we create the 3D elements of our door, but you can see here in the reference level we don't have the arc of our door swing. Why? Because that is a 2D element, like this line here. This line we can only see in the section or elevation of that door. If you don't know what is the difference between the model line and the detail line, now you have the link in the upper right corner and go and check that. Okay, now go here to the reference level. Now if I click here to the door panel, you can see that our width of that door panel is smaller than width of our opening for this wall, and we want that panel is swing along the 90 degree here, and this is a point of our rotation. Okay, go here to the DI and click from this reference plane to this line, and you can see we have a 25 millimeters. Okay, just delete that for now. Then go to the create and to the model line. Now we create the line for that door swing. Go to the rectangle and click from here maybe to here. And then go to the IL, and from this line align this line. And also click here, go here and click tab a couple of times to select this reference plane and go and align this. Then go to DI and click from here to here, go maybe here, and we have already a door panel width, and that is a 50 millimeters. Just click here and add that parameter for this thickness of our door swing, and that is door panel width. Now you can see we have 50 millimeters. Go to DI, go here, click tab a couple of times and click to this reference to this line and go maybe here. Okay, click here to this dimension and create a new parameter, door panel width, and click to OK. We have a 640, but that isn't our width of door panel. If you remember, we say that this from here to here we have a 25 millimeters. Also we have that on this side. Now just go here to the parameter and say this door panel width, that is this parameter. Now we create the formula for that parameter. We want this parameter width with this value minus a two side with 25 millimeters, and we type width minus 2 multiply 25 millimeters. Go to the apply, and you can see our value is now 1001 and 500, and you can see how our width is now here. Okay, now we can create the arc for that. Go here to the create, to the model line, and go here to the center ends arc. Then click here, that is our center, and from here to here. And click here to create the radius dimension for that. Click to that dimension and set also this parameter, and that is this parameter. Now you can see we create the model line, but that model line see also in the 3D, but we don't want that. Go here and press the tab to select all of that lines. Also click the Ctrl and click to this line. And then go here to the edit, we have the convert lines. If I click here, now that lines is a detail line, no the model line, and you can see we see that line on the reference level, but now we can't see that on the 3D. Okay, just to check everything is okay, go here and say maybe this width is gonna go to 100, and now you can see everything is okay. Go here to the file, create new project, architectural template, and click here and say load into the project. Now we can't create that because we don't have any walls. Create here the wall, go and then go to the door, and we have this family one, and just click here. Go to the 3D, and you can see our first door. If I want to change that, click here, go to the edit type, and then change it here to 150. Then go maybe here to the, I don't know, 100 to 1200, and so long. Okay, that is all for this tutorial. If you like videos I make, please subscribe this channel, go to the Facebook and Instagram page, follow that. If you have some question, be free to write below, and see you next time.